In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan in Base44. Upgrading your plan is a simple way to unlock more features and get the most out of your workspace. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you know exactly what to do and what to look for on the screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you're on the main dashboard. This is usually the page you see right after signing in, where you can view your projects or workspaces. Once you're there, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Workspace. This is where you can manage settings related to your current workspace, including billing and plan details. Go ahead and click on Workspace. When you do this, a drop-down menu or a panel will appear, depending on how the interface is currently designed. Take a brief moment to scan this area because it typically contains other useful options like workspace settings, members, or account information. For now though, we're focusing on upgrading your plan. Within that same menu or panel, look for the option that says Upgrade your plan. This is usually clearly labeled, often highlighted or separated so it stands out as a key action. Click on Upgrade your plan. After clicking, you'll be taken to the upgrade or billing page. While the exact layout may change over time, this page generally shows you the different subscription tiers available, along with the features and limits that come with each one. This is a good time to review what each plan offers, and to think about what your team or project actually needs. For example, you might compare limits on users, storage, or advanced features like integrations and analytics. When you've found the plan that best fits your needs, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the upgrade. Typically, this will involve confirming your selection, entering or updating your payment details, and then finalizing the purchase. Make sure to double-check details like billing frequency, whether it's monthly or yearly, so there are no surprises later. Once everything is confirmed, Base44 will update your workspace to the new plan. You may see a confirmation message or email letting you know the upgrade was successful. From there, you can start exploring the newly available features immediately and continue working in your workspace as usual.